everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with another question of exercise 4.2 simple equation, page number 86, question number 4. Solve the following equation. These are the equation which we have to solve. Start with the part A. 10p is equal to 100. First we will have to remove this 10, so we will divide it by 10. Dividing by 10 both sides. Now 10p divided by 10 and 100 divided by 10. Cancelled, p is equal to 10. Now comes to the part B. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. First we will remove this 10, so we will subtract 10. Subtracting 10 both sides. Now 10p plus 10 minus 10 and 100 minus 10. Now this one cancelled. Now 10p is equal to 90. Now for removing this 10, we will divide it by 10. Dividing by 10 both sides. Now 10p divided by 10 and 90 divided by 10. Cancelled. So the p is equal to 9. Now comes to the part C. P divided by 4 is equal to 5. Now we will multiply it by 4. Multiplying by 4 both sides. Now p divided by 4 multiply by 4 and 5 multiply by 4. Now cancel. P is equal to 5 4s are 20. So the value of p is equal to 20. Now comes to the part D. Minus 3 divided by p is equal to 5. First we will remove this 3. For that we will multiply it by 3. Multiplying by 3 both sides. Minus 3 divided by 3 multiply by 3 and 5 multiply by 3. This one cancelled. Minus p is equal to 5 3s are 15. So the value of minus p is equal to 15 and the value of p is equal to minus 15. This is the part D. Now comes to the part E. 3p divided by 4 is equal to 6. First we will multiply it by 4. Multiplying by 4 both sides. Now 3p divided by 4 multiply by 4 and 6 multiply by 4. Now both of them cancel. Now 3p is equal to 6 4s are 24 and p is equal to 24 divided by 3 and p is equal to 8. 3 8s are 24. Now comes to the part F. 3s is equal to minus 9. Now dividing by 3 both sides. Now 3s divided by 3 and minus 9 divided by 3. Now s is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So the value of s is equal to minus 3. Now comes to the part G. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. First we will remove this 12. For that one we will subtract 12. Now subtracting 12 from both sides. 3s plus 12 minus 12 and 0 minus 12. This one cancelled. 3s is equal to minus 12. Now for getting only s, we will divide it by 3. Now dividing by 3 both sides. Now 3s divided by 3 and minus 12 divided by 3. Now 3 3 cancelled. 3 4s are 12. So the value of s is equal to minus 4. This is the part G. Now comes to the part H. 3s is equal to 0. We will divide it by 3. dividing by 3 both sides. Now 3s divided by 3 and 0 divided by 3. This one cancelled, s is equal to 0. This is the part H. Now come to the part J. 2q is equal to 6. We will divide it by 2. Dividing by 2 both sides. 2q divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. 2 cancelled. Q is equal to 2 3s are 6. The value of q is equal to 3. Now comes to the part J. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. First we will remove this 6. For that one we will add 6 both sides. Now 2q minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6. Now this one cancelled. 2q is equal to 6. Now comes to the part K. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. First we will remove this 6. For that one we will subtract 6. Subtracting 6 from both sides. So 2q plus 6 minus 6 and 0 minus 6. This one cancelled. 2q is equal to minus 6. Now we will divide it by 2. Dividing by 2 from both sides. Now 2q divided by 2 and minus 6 divided by 2. Now q is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 3. So this is the part K. Now comes to the last part, that is the part L. 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. First we will remove this 6. For that one, subtracting 6 from both sides. 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6. Now this one cancelled. 2q is equal to plus minus minus, we will get 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now we will remove this 2. For that one we will divide it by 2. Now dividing by 2 from both sides. Now 2q divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. Now 2 cancel, 2 3s are 6. So the value of q is equal to 3. With this one we have completed question number 4. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 4.1.